I have in front of me a Humax HDR-1000S power unit. It's available with low-cost small parcel delivery directly from freetv.ie. So let's look at the key aspects of this. Well, first of all, why would you need it? If you've lost or damaged your existing power unit, you need to get this, and it's actually quite difficult to source them directly. Most shops, things like that, don't stock them. So that's why we decided to add it on to have a very comprehensive range of products here on freetv.ie. So it comes with a 3-pin power plug, and what we have then is the main power unit itself. It gives an output of 12 volts and up to 5 amps. And then we have the actual output here. So what we have here is an adapter that goes on the standard power unit. It just slides on very easily like that, that's it. And the reason that you need to adapt the standard power units is that the input on the Humax boxes, and not by chance, is a very specific design. So what they're trying to do obviously is limit the market in terms of making it difficult, and it took us quite a while to source exactly what would work, but this now works perfectly. We use this on any Humax boxes that we have that we need a replacement power unit. We just use this with it, and they work absolutely perfect. So that's it anyway, an overview of the Humax HDR-1000S replacement power unit.